After World War II, the body was handed according to the Reparation Act to the Soviet Union, and our tall ship was renamed after famous Russian seafarer with German origin, Ivan Fedorovich Krusenstern, whose portrait can you see here. This is the route of his voyage, you can see here, across the Atlantic Ocean, across the Pacific Ocean. And here you can see all the names and photos of the captains, from the first captain to the last captain. And since 1974, the Krusenstern, our tall ship, takes part in different regattas, and always we are the winners of those regattas. Here are some prizes we were awarded during different years. It was awarded for the best ship of 1984 during regatta from Sydney to Liverpool, and it was obtained for the best speed. The best speed under the sails was about 17.5 knots. So the usual speed under engines is no more than 10 knots. This is baleen, a part of a whale's mouth, so it is used for separation, for food separation. Mary Magdalena, very important. And